I never wanted to be a one-dimensional sort of a cricketer.
Wonderful shot from Virat Kohli.
We're always looking for ways to improve.
Kohli's timing is magnificent.
I play every game like it's my first for the country. I want to give everything that I have every time I play.
Virat Kohli's just flexing his muscles out there.
When I play, I literally leave everything on the field, and that's why my intensity is right up there every game. I've designed my life to be able to keep up with those intensity levels and train accordingly, eat accordingly, rest accordingly. So I've changed my life according to my own character rather than curbing my character down. I was always fond of chasing totals since I was a kid, because A, that allowed me to be in the game till the very end, and B, it allowed me to finish the game for the team and come out, and that is one thing that gave me the most pleasure when I was a kid. If India failed to chase a target, I used to go to sleep believing that if I had the jersey on, I would have done it. And now when I'm in a chase, I think those memories just take over and my body reacts in a certain manner, and I just love every minute of it because it gives you a chance to analyze what you need to do as an individual to get your team out of trouble. And I don't think there's any better, motivation for any cricketer. The kind of response we get back home, you have no choice but to get used to it. But I think embracing the environment really helps you to deal with it nicely. So I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, and then this is the response that we get from the fans. So I started looking at the positive side of it, and then it became much more easier for me to cope with it. I played 2 World Cups before, but this one's quite different because I'm leading the team this time, and when we won in 2011, I would never imagine that I'd be captaining. But this brings a whole different challenge altogether, and something that I'm really looking forward to, because you need to have these kind of moments to boost your morale up and motivate you even further. The only person I need to protect myself from is me. I'm always up to embrace new things and learn things, and I'm always willing to evolve. For me, hitting the ball in the middle of the bat is the best feeling in the world. Even when I go to practice in the nets, I just want to hit every ball in the middle of the bat. I love every second of doing that. So I think till that love lasts, till that passion lasts, you're supposed to play. I've been lucky that passion and that real love for just batting has been going on for years.
Sport, I think, teaches you everything in life. That's what I feel. Even if you don't end up making a career out of it, it teaches you the importance of competition. It teaches you the importance of preparation. It teaches you the importance of dealing with pressure. Even if you play a normal club game or just a game in the park of your locality, you still feel that pressure that we're playing against this team. You start thinking about that the evening before. You start preparing. You start looking forward to something. You feel disappointment the next day. You feel the joy, and the joy and disappointment keep shifting. So I think it teaches you a lot to keep coming back from failures. It strengthens people's character, especially if you end up making a career out of it. My toughest time in cricket was that series in England where I was just not able to do anything. I wanted to do something at least of substance, but I wasn't in the mind frame to do anything, and it just kept building and it just kept creeping on me more, and I couldn't get out of it. So, but it was very important for me to feel that at an early stage in my career. It was very, very important to know that it's something that I needed to go through. And what I learned from there was there are no guarantees in life. What I learned from there was the importance of understanding yourself as a human being, of being so sure of who you are and how you prepare and what you do on a daily basis in all walks of life. It's not only about cricket. That will give you mental peace, and that will give you the belief that is required for you to come back from setbacks. First, be consistent when you play. Second, and to deal with difficult situations in life.